Are you over 60 and finding your balance isn't what it used to be? Maybe you feel a bit unsteady on your feet, or you're worried about slips and falls. It's a common concern, but I'm here to tell you there's so much you can do about it right from the comfort of your own home. Today, we're diving into 4 incredibly simple yet powerful Japanese exercises, all surgeon approved, that are designed to rebuild your balance, strengthen your lower body, and boost your confidence with every step. You won't need any fancy equipment, just a little space and a willingness to feel stronger and more stable. Let's get started on this journey to better balance together. So, why is balance so crucial, especially as we get older? Think of it as your body's built-in stability system. Good balance relies on a team effort between your eyes, your inner ear, and the sensory nerves in your feet and legs, all communicating with your brain. As we age, this communication can slow down a bit, and our muscles, particularly in our lower body, can weaken. This combination increases the risk of falling, which can lead to serious injuries and a loss of independence. But here's the good news. Just like any muscle, your balance system can be trained and strengthened. By doing specific exercises, you essentially waking up those communication pathways and rebuilding the muscle strength needed to keep you upright and steady. These Japanese exercises are perfect because they focus on gentle, controlled movements that specifically target the core and lower body muscles responsible for stability. They're all about improving your body's awareness and control, making you feel more secure whether you're walking, reaching for something on a high shelf, or just standing still. Before we jump into the exercises, let's quickly talk about safety. It's always a great idea to have a sturdy chair or a wall nearby for support, especially when you're just starting out. Listen to your body. If something feels painful, stop. The goal is gentle improvement, not pushing yourself to the point of discomfort. And remember, consistency is key. Doing these exercises regularly will bring much better results than doing them sporadically. Ready? Let's get to our first exercise. This first one is called the single leg stand. It's a classic for a reason. It directly challenges and improves your stability on one foot. Stand behind your chair or next to a wall, holding on lightly for support. Shift your weight onto your right foot. Now, slowly lift your left foot off the ground. Just a few inches is fine. Try to hold this position. Your goal is to hold it for 30 seconds. You might feel your ankle wobbling a bit. That's completely normal. That's your muscles working hard to keep you balanced. Focus on a spot in front of you that isn't moving. This is called a focal point, and it will help you maintain your balance. Keep your standing legs slightly bent, not locked, and engage your core muscles by pulling your belly button in towards your spine. After 30 seconds, gently lower your left foot and switch sides. Lift your right foot and hold for another 30 seconds. As you get more comfortable, you can challenge yourself by holding on with just one finger, then eventually letting go completely. Remember to breathe steadily throughout the exercise. Our second exercise is the tandem stance, also known as the heel-to-toe walk. This one is fantastic for improving what's called dynamic balance, your stability while you're moving. Imagine you're walking on a tightrope. Stand with your feet together, using a wall or chair for support if you need it. Now, place the heel of your right foot directly in front of the toes of your left foot, so they are touching or almost touching. Your feet should be in a straight line. Hold this position for about 20 to 30 seconds. You'll feel your core and leg muscles engaging to keep you from swaying. After holding, take a step forward by placing your left heel directly in front of your right toes. Continue taking about 10 of these small, deliberate steps forward. Then, carefully turn around and walk back to your starting point. The key here is to move slowly and with control. Don't rush. Look ahead, not down at your feet. This trains your body to trust its sense of position without relying solely on vision. It directly mimics the coordinated movement needed for a steady walking gait. Next up, we have our third exercise, calf raises. This simple movement is a powerhouse for strengthening your calf muscles and ankles. Strong calves act like stabilizers, helping to prevent your ankles from rolling and causing a fall. Stand straight, feet hip-width apart, holding onto a chair or countertop for balance. Slowly push through the balls of your feet to raise your heels off the floor as high as you comfortably can. Imagine a string pulling the top of your head towards the ceiling, keeping your posture tall and straight. Hold the raised position for a second or two, really squeezing those calf muscles. Then slowly lower your heels back down to the floor with control. Don't just let them drop. We're aiming for about 10 to 15 repetitions. As you get stronger, you can try doing them on one leg at a time for an extra challenge, but always make sure you have support nearby. This exercise not only builds strength, but also improves your ankle flexibility and stability, which is vital for navigating uneven surfaces. Our fourth and final exercise is the clock reach. This is a fantastic dynamic exercise that challenges your balance in multiple directions. Imagine you are standing in the center of a giant clock face. Stand on your right leg, keeping a slight bend in your knee. Use a chair for support with your left hand if needed. Now, slowly extend your left leg forward and tap your toe at the 12 o'clock position. Bring it back to the center. Then, extend your left leg out to the side to tap the 9 o'clock position. Back to center. Finally, extend your left leg behind you to tap the 6 o'clock position. Back to center. That's one repetition. The goal is to keep your standing leg stable and your upper body upright. Try to complete 5 repetitions, moving slowly and with control before switching to stand on your left leg. On that side, you'll be tapping at 12 o'clock, 3 o'clock, and 6 o'clock. This exercise is brilliant because it forces your body to stabilize against movements in different planes, mimicking the real-world scenarios we encounter every day, like reaching for something or stepping around an obstacle. So there you have it, 4 simple, surgeon-approved Japanese exercises to help you rebuild your balance and walk with confidence. Let's quickly recap. We started with the single leg stand to build static balance. Then we moved to the tandem stance for dynamic walking stability. After that, we strengthened our ankles and calves with calf raises. And finally, we challenged our multi-directional balance with the clock reach. Incorporating these into your daily routine, even for just 10 to 15 minutes a day, can make a world of difference. Remember to start slow, use support, and be consistent. You are investing in your safety, your independence, and your quality of life. Don't be discouraged if you wobbly at first. Every wobble is a sign that your body is learning and getting stronger. Keep at it, and you'll soon feel more grounded and secure than ever before. Thank you for joining me today. Take care, stay active, and I'll see you in the next video. Please subscribe for more tips on healthy aging.